Okay, so I wanted you guys to see this. I this puts in perspective. You don't get to see me with my hair down and dry very often, but it's down and it's dark on top and it's grown a little bit. What little bit of hair I have left. There's my bald spots right in here and then underneath here. But what I was going to say was, here's a big difference, and here's to put into perspective how much hair I've lost. I timed how long it took me to dry my hair. It used to take me 20 minutes to dry my hair. Now, it looks full, but it's not, see? See, it's really not. See how thin it is? That's all I got on this side. That's it. That's all I have. That's why you see me in a bun. But when I release it, people think I still have full hair. But then when you put it up against the light, you see I don't. But anyway, so it used to take me 20 minutes to dry my hair. And this is just to take it in perspective. It took me, you're never going to guess, 4 minutes. And that was me giving it an extra minute to make sure it was extra dry. 4 minutes. Yeah, I'm going bald. I didn't want to focus. I got my watermelon over there. I've got my stickers and my jewelry making and my, yeah. And those, I've got to post online tonight. I've got some tags I'm going to put online as well. Don't forget, 15% off of your order of $15 or more. A lot of stuff is free shipping on my Etsy shop for the month of August till the 31st for my birthday. Go check it out. Some of my beads and things like that. I'm in the middle of watching Goosebumps. I don't know how to pause this thing. It doesn't have a remote. I can't pause it. It's kind of loud. I guess I could turn it down. Hold on. All right, I turned it down. So, in the process of getting some of this stuff posted on my Etsy shop, this is going to be like a hodgepodge of stuff that I'm putting together. Little surprise for you at the end. And I guess that's it. So, yeah, watched my daughter's band Friday night. This is just kind of a recap. And this is a hodgepodge of stuff that I'm putting together for the video. And then I will be back hopefully tomorrow or Tuesday with something more substantial and that's not all over the place. Alright, so let's do a mini giveaway. This mini giveaway is going to be open worldwide. It is something that I have made. You guys seem to show an interest in my cards and my gift tags. So, this is going to be open worldwide, and what you are going to get is you're going to get 10 of my mini thank you cards, or handmade with love cards. They have handmade with love on the back. Each one is different. And then on the inside, it's got some washi tape and a thank you so that you can personalize it. So if you need to put your name on there or anything, I'll just go through and show you. You got this one, this one, and this one, and basically all of them look the same inside. I do change them up. This one's got some princesses, some My Little Ponies, some bugs, little hearts, X's and O's, just some thank you cards, or some handmade cards that you can put in with your gifts that you make, or your gifts that says handmade with love. I don't think you might be able to remove that if you wanted it just as a gift card. So you'll get 10 of the mini cards, and you're going to get 30 of my gift tags. Now, the gift tags are going to be random. Let me pull some out because I don't have them finished yet, but this will be just random cards they will have, because you know I have hundreds of these, so just random, like little scenes. These are, I think these are all little scenes. What is this one? That's a flower. And then of course that's another little scene. That's another little scene. And they all have the outline from the punch. On the back they all have little, little washi tapes on them. I will have them hole punched, so all you have to do is string them and attach them to whatever your gift is. So you will get 30 of my little gift tags that I make. Now, my gift tags that I personally make for myself look exactly the same. The only difference is, and I'll show you the difference in mine, is, okay, so your corners will be rounded like this as well. The difference between yours and mine is I put my little sticker on the back with my Young40Mom and my email address, and then some of them have like my phone number on how to reach me and that type of thing. But and then yours will also have, is it handmade with love? I tell you what I'll do is I will leave them blank. If you want them as just regular gift tags like for at Christmas, I will leave them blank. And whoever wins can tell me this. If you want me to stamp it with my Totally Handmade stamp, I will stamp it. They won't be colored in with that. It'll just be the generic black. So I was going to see if I had one already stamped and put together here so I could show you what they look like. But your tags will come in this cute little bag. So you get 30 tags and you'll get 10 gift cards. So what you have to do to enter is leave a comment below and say the word gift. If you are interested, you have to have the word gift. If you're not interested, you can get any comment you want. I was trying to see. I don't have my Totally Handmade stamped on anything. Well, shoot. Anyway. All right, so still my birthday month. This is giveaway number 6. All drawings will be done next Saturday, announced Saturday evening or Sunday afternoon. My birthday is, this is my birthday month, so that's why we're doing this. To my lovely hair. If you watched my video all the way through, then you're one of the lucky ones that's going to get in on this giveaway drawing. It's giveaway number 6. I have 3 that are obvious. They will be linked down below, and 3 that will be like this one, hidden in my video. So thank you for watching, participating, being part of my channel, my life. You guys are amazing. Had some wonderful comments here lately, and I'm overwhelmed. Again, thank you so much again for being part of my life, and good luck, everybody. Make sure you leave that word gift in the comments if you're interested in getting this open worldwide, and sharing my love to you. Thank you for watching, participating, being part of my life again. And I will see you guys in the next one. Remember, hashtag keep it real. Okay, so I should have brought my selfie stick. This is what I'm doing at the football game. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but yeah. So I'm putting my face close to this because I don't have my earbuds. Ooh, maybe I do have my earbuds. It's got a microphone on it. That would be great, wouldn't it? Hang on just a second. Okay, so no, I took my earbuds out and they're at the office. So I'm going to have to talk to you guys later because it's really loud. I wasn't expecting music to be playing so loud, and I'm really surprised at the kind of music they're playing. As an adult, I enjoy a lot of this music, but there are some songs they play that have language that I don't think is appropriate around kids. That's just a personal opinion. Anyway, I will talk to you guys when I get home. Bye! Look like they're having fun.
singing their alma mater. Yeah, they won 37 to zip. They did good. Hold up. I think it's over. I think so. I could be wrong. It's my understanding they're supposed to play a little bit more. I'll find out.